Taking advantage of compounding part 2. Case example tayo. I-share ko sa inyo itong account that I personally manage from Mama Lorna. Now, 136% gain na siya. 133% absolute gain. And monthly niya is 5.8% average. And ang balance niya ngayon is $749 or mga nasa 41,000 pesos. And nag-start lang siya, nag-deposit siya ng $312, mga 15,000 pesos at that time. So, through compounding, so from September 2022 up to present, nag-active pa rin itong account na to. So, tingnan natin kung paano siya nag-compound. So, nung nasa $300 dollars pa lang yung account niya, ang kanyang lot size na ginagamit, ay nasa 1.3. This is a micro lot, by the way. Micro account. And then, habang lumalaki yung kanyang account, palaki yung lot size na gamit niya. At palaki yung kanyang pwedeng maging profit. Now, pag i-arrange natin to, and this is the latest account na na-close niya, ang lot size niya na ngayon ay 1.87. So, makikita nyo, habang kinukompound niya yung kanyang profit, palaki yung kanyang lot size, and mas lalaki yung kanyang profit.